Excellennial here with another story-based Excel tutorial. And today I'm telling you about Megan, the fashion and beauty blogger. Megan has a list of her blog titles and the character counts of each. The issue is that she can't tell what cells in her character count column are formulas or not. Our goal is to figure out which cells have formulas and which are formula-free. To do that, we're going to use another function. Here's Megan's list of blog post title ideas and the character count of each. Now you can see in column B, when I select one of the cells here, up in the formula bar, it says equal LEN A6. Now that's a formula with a function that Megan previously added to the cell to give her the character count of these blog post titles. But when you select some of the other cells here, it actually just gives the number with no formula or function. Now what we're trying to figure out today is which of these cells still have the formula and which of them are just the number. So to start, we're going to add a header to cell C1, formula question mark, and now the function that we're going to use is called ISFORMULA. Since this is a function, we will have to start with the equal symbol and type in is, and that should bring up ISFORMULA. Click that. And now all that the ISFORMULA function needs is just one reference point. That's the only piece of data that this one requires. So we're trying to figure out if the cell B2 has a formula or not. So we'll select that and then press enter or return if you're on a Mac. Now this results in true because this cell B2 does in fact have the formula up in the formula bar, not just the number. So this is going to say true, and anytime it's just a number, it'll say false. So I'm going to drag this down here really quick by using the little square in the corner. All right, so now we have a quick view. All of these here are stating that there is a formula in the formula bar, and that looks to be correct up here, and that these are just numbers because it says false, as in, is this a formula? That is false. That's the same here as well. One thing that I do want to clarify in this tutorial is that functions are still considered formulas. So you can see here that we did use the ISFORMULA in the formula bar that is written out in cell C2 for, as it mentions here, for B2. And B2 has the LEN or len function inside of it. Even though it does include a function, because this is still beginning with equal and there is data collected in here, it's still considered a formula. Formulas are not considered functions, but functions are considered predetermined formulas. So anytime that we use the ISFORMULA function, it is still going to count anything that has a function in it as a formula. I know that's a little confusing, but hopefully that makes sense. Of course, if you have any questions on that, definitely let me know. Megan was able to quickly find out which of the cells have formulas in them by using the ISFORMULA function. If you have any questions about this process or how formulas and functions are different and what their similarities are, definitely leave a comment in the section below. Until next time, have fun excelling!